Hello students, this is differential equations part 4. In last video, we discussed the first part in last 3 videos. The first one is the definition of differential equations, ordinary differential equations, partial differential equations, order and degree of the differential equations, and also the solution of a differential equations, the general solutions and particular solutions, and also the formation of differential equations. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It is the first part of differentiations. The second part is the solution of a differential equations. The solutions. Differential equation. Solution of a differential equations ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ already I explained 3 method you solving the given differential equations. Here using the variable separable methods. Here the 3 methods, the method of solving the differential equations by variable separable methods. Variables separable method. Variable separable first degree differential equation only. First order, first degree differential equations. It is our syllabus. Namma syllabus igiradu. Here only the method is the variable separable methods. ಅದು ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ first order first degree differential equations by variable separable method. What is the method? How to solving the first order first degree differential equations using variable separable method? What is the meaning of variable separable method means? Suppose you can say that the dx coefficient is only a function of x. The variables are separated completely. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ dx is only a function of x and the coefficient of dy is only a function of y ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then you say that this one is the variables are separated. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? The coefficient of dx only a function of x or constant ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು and the coefficient of dy is only a function of y or constant ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ the variables are separated ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, then how to you get the solution of this differential equations means just integrating. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರದ್ದು? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ both sides, here left hand side either right hand side with respect to x and with respect to y ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Suppose the antiderivative of f of x with respect to x capital F of x ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ the antiderivative of g of y with respect to y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ g of y ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ plus integral constant. This one is the solution of differential equations. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಇಂಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ, ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. What is the meaning of separate the variables? Means the coefficient of dx is only a function of x and the coefficient of dy is only a function of y. That method is called variable separable. Variables are separable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Once variable separable ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Separable method ನಲ್ಲಿ just integrating and here find the indefinite integral values and write the solutions. Here compulsory, here write the integral constant is necessary because it is represent a family of curve. Suppose the function is or differential equation is given dy upon dx is equal to f of x comma y form nallide. F of x comma y. It is, you can rewrite this value is equal to f1 of x into g1 of y anta bariyodu. Or this value is capital F of x comma y ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. f of x into g of y. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ you can separate the variables. Otherwise this method is not holds good. ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ you can rewrite the given function is f of x into g of x. Then here rewrite this value is equal to ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? This one is 1 divided by cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ g of y into dy is equal to f of x into dx. Then you say that the variables are separated. Suppose the given function is not given directly, variables are separable forms. Or given that the given function is equal to f1 of x into g1 of y into dx plus f2 of x into g2 of y into dy is equal to 0. You can say that it is the mixed forms. f1 of x1 x comma y, f2 of x comma y ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು f of x into g of y. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? f of x into dx ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, g of y into dy ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಹೇಗೆ. Then integrating each terms with respect to x and with respect to y. That one is, here separate the variables. Once variables are separated means integrating. Therefore the general solutions, here not a particular solutions, you get the general solutions, you get infinite solutions. It depends on arbitrary constant values. The general solution is in ಬರಿತೀವಿ integration of 1 by g of y into dy is equal to integration of f of x into dx. Suppose you can say that integral of 1 by g of y into dy, its antiderivative is equal to capital G of y. It depends on the given functions. Is equal to ಇದೇನು ಬರೆಯೋದು capital F of x plus integral constant. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ one side ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, either plus c or here. Both the arbitrary constant, you get the single constant, adding two arbitrary constant plus constant, you get the one unique ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, f of x into dx ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ g of y into dy is equal to 0. ಇದೇನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ? f of x ಇದರ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ g of y is equal to c ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ c equal to 0. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೌ ಟು solving means first separate the variables, next integrating, find its antiderivative. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here this part, the solution of differential equations purely depends on integrations parts. The first two parts, the order, degree and solutions, verifying the given function is a solutions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ formations, it depends on differentiation ಆದರೆ here the solution of a differential equation is purely depends on integrations. This one is the integral parts ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here the variable separable methods. Just take the meaning of variable separable methods. That one is variable, not variables, variable separable method. Method is used to solve such an equation. Variable separable method is used to solve such an equation in which variables can be separated completely. ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಚ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳದಿದ್ರೆ dx only a function of x and coefficient of dv a function of y ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. coefficient of dx is only a function of x ಅಂದರೆ alone ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, and coefficient of dy is only a function of y. Then you said that one is the variables are separated completely ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is which is in the form of ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? f of x into dx plus g of y into dy is equal to 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. The dx f of x means only a function of x and g of y means function of y ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. This one is called the variables are separable. It is clear? Suppose the variables are not separated, first you separate the variables. The coefficient of dx is only a function of x and the coefficient of dy is only a function of y. Suppose the given function dy upon dx is equal to f of x comma y. Yes, f of x comma y. Then here rewrite this one is equal to f of x into g of x form nalli ಬರೀತೀರಿ. Next separate the variables. Yes, it implies 1 by g of y ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. It implies 1 by g of y into dy is equal to f of x into dx. Yeah, this one is variable separated complete ಆಗಿ variables are separate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 1 by g of y into dy, it is a function of y. f of x into dx, f of x, it is a function of x. It is clear? This one is the variable separable methods. This one is the notations. ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, variable separable method ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the solve such an equations, the variables are separated complete ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? f of x into dx plus g of y into dy is equal to 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ dx ಇನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, dy ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ y ಇರಬೇಕು. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ suppose once the variables are separated, the general solutions just integrating. It is very simple. The second one is variable separated, first order, first degree. What is the method? Once you can say that if the given differential equation is variable separable method, given differential equation is completely variables are separated, that is which is in the form of f of x into dx plus g of y into dy is equal to 0. Then the general solution is differential equation is. Then the general solution of the differential equation is ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ integrating. Just remember integrating each terms or both sides integrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. Once the general solutions of the differential equation ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, just integrating each terms, that is integration of f of x into dx plus integration of g of y into dy is equal to 0. It implies you get the general solutions f of x plus g of y is equal to c, where f of x means anti-derivative f of x and g of x is g of y is antiderivative of g of y and c is arbitrary constant. This one is the method. What is the method of variable separable methods? If the given differential equation is completely variables are separated, which is in the form of f of x into dx plus g of y into dy. Here f of x is only a function of x and g of y is only a function of y. Then the general solution of the given differential equation is just integrating in each terms integration of f of x into dx plus integration of g of y into dy. Suppose the capital F of x is antiderivative of small f of x and capital G of x is antiderivative of small g of y, then the general solution is f of x plus g of y is equal to c, where c is integral constant, or you can say that it is the arbitrary constant values. It is clear? Suppose here remember, if the function is not, the given differential equation is not separate the variables. Suppose the given function is f of dy upon dx is equal to f of x comma 1. First rewrite, it is verified, these functions can be written as g of x into g of or f of x into g of y forms. Suppose it is possible, then separate the variables. You can write 1 divided by g of y into d of y is equal to f of x into dx. You can say that variables are separated. It is variables are separated. Then general solutions is, therefore, what is the general solution? Integral of 1 by g of y into dy is equal to integration of f of x into dx. That is, it is the antiderivative of g of y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. log of g of y ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. capital G of y is equal to capital F of x. It is antiderivative of this small f of x plus integral constant. This one is the general solutions, the method of solving differential equations using variable separable method. Here solving some examples, very simple problems, usually asked the 3-mark questions. Here find the general solutions. The example either ask find the general solutions or solve the differential equations. Differential equation dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 plus y. It is very simple, 2 to 3 mark questions. Usually asked 3 mark questions. Dy upon dx equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 plus y. It is very simple problems. The given function is, or the given differential equation is dy upon dx equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 plus y, f of x comma y. It is find the relations in x and y. Here verify, you can rewrite which is in the form of f of x into g of y. Yes, 1 plus x is f of y, 1 divided by 1 plus y is g of y. Therefore, separate the variables very easily, just cross multiplications. sorry, here comes to here, this one is, it means 1 plus y into dy is equal to 1 plus x into dx. The steps is very, very, very important. First, separate the variables. Yes, variables are separated. The dy function is only a function of y or constant, and coefficient of dx is only a function of x. Idu f of x, idu g of y. The variables are separated, then write its general solution is, therefore, what is the general solutions? Integrating both sides. What is integration of 1 plus y into dy is equal to integration of 1 plus x into dx. That is, we are integrating 1 plus y with respect to y. 1 with respect to y is y plus, what is integration of y with respect to y? You know that y square by 2 is equal to integration of 1 plus x with respect to x. 1 means x, x means x square by 2. We are adding integral constant c. This one is the general solution of the differential equations. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2y is not necessary, plus y square is equal to 2x plus x square plus 2 into c. You get this one is c1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ c ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Again you get the constant, that is x square minus y square plus 2x minus 2y plus c equal to 0. Actually this one is the difference, is not necessary. Just write this one is. In CET, in competitive exams given in the standard forms, either ask find the general solution of, very simple questions, these are textbook questions. Find the general solution differential equations. Find the general solution of a differential equations. dy upon dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square. 3 marks. Find the general solution of a differential equations. dy upon dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square anta ide. It means the given differential equation is dy upon dx is equal to, just rewrite, its value is root of a by b means root a divided by root b, root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square. First rewrite into standard forms, the separate the variables. Variable ಅನ್ನು separate ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ just cross multiplications ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square into dy is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Here you know that the variables are separated. Once variables are separated, here find the general solutions. Here write directly. What is the general solutions? Therefore, the general solution is, what is general solutions? Just integrating. Integration of 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square with respect to y is equal to integral of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. You know that the antiderivative of 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square with respect to y is sine inverse y is equal to 1 divided by root means sine inverse of x plus integral constant. This one is the general solutions. And find the general solution of a dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x plus 1. All these problems are very simple results. Find the general solution of a differential equation dy upon dx equal to e raised to x plus 1. Here also the given differential equation is, what is the given differential equations? Dy upon dx is equal to e to the power x plus y. Here using the law of indices, e to the power x plus y means e to the power x into e to the power y. Here the variables are not separable, not a general forms. First write into general and separate the variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? dy upon dx ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ವೈ, 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Once variables are separated, dx ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ only a function of x ಇದೆ, dx ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ only a function of x ಇದೆ, dy ಜೊತೆಗೆ only a function of y. Therefore, the general solution is just integrating each terms or both sides. Integration of 1 by e raised to y into dy is equal to integration of e power x into dx. Here you know that integration of e power x, here 1 by e raised to y can be written as e raised to minus y into dy is equal to integration of e power x into dx. What is the integration of e raised to ax? E raised to x divided by a. A means here the minus 1. Therefore, e raised to minus y divided by minus y means minus e raised to minus y is equal to integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus integral constant. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. Find the general solution of a differential. dy upon dx is root of 4 minus y square. Find the general solution. Very simple questions all these are. dy upon dx equal to root of 4 minus y square. Here also first separate the variables. Here the given differential equation is dy upon dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. Yes. Here separate the variables means first write into standard forms. It means dy is equal to root of 4 minus y square into dx. It is called the standard forms. Either f of x into g of x into or f of x comma y into dx plus g of x comma y into dy equal to 0. It is called the standard form of differential equations. Here this one is the standard. Here separate the variables. Variables are separated. Is not variables are separated because the coefficient of dx is function of y. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 minus y square into dy is equal to dx. 1 into dx it means. 1 is a constant. It is a x to the power 0 function of x. Then the general solution is, what is the general solution of the differential equation? Here the general solution is integral of 1 by root of 2 square minus y square into dy is equal to integration of 1 into dx. Just integrating. 4 can be written as 2 square root because this one is the standard forms. What is integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square? You know that its value is equal to sine inverse of y by 2. A square minus x square means sine inverse of x by a is equal to x plus integral constant. That one is the general solution of the given differential equations. Very simple problems. Similarly, find the general solution of a differential equation. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ dy upon dx plus y is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This one is also a differential equations. Very simple problems. First standard form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Next separate the variables. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Very simple. 3 mark questions. The given differential equation is dy upon dx plus y is equal to 1. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? dy upon dx is equal to 1 minus y ಅಂತ. Or it implies dy is equal to 1 minus y into dx ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. It is clear? Next, variables are separated? No. Coefficient of dx is function of y ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it implies separate the variable means dividing each terms by 1 minus y ಅಥವಾ cross multiplications. 1 minus y into dy is equal to 1 into dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Variables are separated. Therefore, the general solution is, what is the general solution? integration of 1 by y into dy is equal to integration of 1 into dx. What is integration of 1 by ax plus b? Log of mod of ax plus b divided by a. A means here coefficient of y. What is coefficient of y? Minus 1. Therefore, minus log of ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus y is equal to x plus integral constant ಅಥವಾ x plus log of 1 minus y plus c equal to 0. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, put as it is. This one is the general solution of a differential equations. One more problems. Find the general solution of the differential equations. dy upon dx is equal to x square plus y square, x square into y square plus 1 is given, or 1 plus ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The given differential equation is dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square into y square. f of x comma y, first rewrite int f of x into g of y. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ dy upon dx is equal to f of x, y ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? f of x into g of y ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. therefore the given function is here dy upon dx is 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square into y square ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it implies dy upon dx is 1 plus x square. In these two group you can taking y square common terms ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ, 1 plus x square ಆಯ್ತು. It is clear? Here you can taking, therefore dy upon dx is equal to, what is the value of dy upon dx value? Here dy upon dx is 1 plus x square ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, which is in the form of dy upon dx is equal to f of x into g of y. Next, separate the variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ dy is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square into dx ಇದೆ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ 1 divided by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to 1 plus x square into dx ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್, therefore then ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. what is the general solutions? Integration of 1 divided by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to integration of 1 plus x square into dx. What is integration of 1 by 1 plus y square with respect to y? This is the standard results. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು? tan inverse y is equal to, what is integration of 1? x with respect to x. x square means x cube by 3 plus integral constant. This one is the general solution of the given differential equations. One times asked these questions in competitive exam CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಂಥ questions. The solutions ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿ multiply into 3 ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In annual exam this solution is sufficient. It is the general solution of the given differential equations. In next class solving some other problems. Thank you.